In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Calendly profile. This is a small but powerful way to personalize and brand your Calendly space, making it more professional and recognizable to your invitees. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or anyone who extensively uses Calendly for scheduling appointments, adding a logo can significantly enhance your presence. Firstly, let's dive right into how you can start the process. Navigate to the Calendly website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the option to do so at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. You have various methods to log in, but for simplicity and convenience, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This method is quick and uses your existing Google account, saving you the trouble of remembering another set of login credentials. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. Select your desired account to move forward. Google might ask for your permission to let Calendly access your Google account information. It's necessary for scheduling and integrating your Google Calendar, so go ahead and click Continue to give the necessary permissions. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Calendly dashboard. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. But before we tweak our meetings and events, let's focus on the task at hand. Look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the page, which indicates a drop-down menu. Click on it and then select Profile from the list of options that appear. In the Profile section, you'll find various settings and customization options. But for now, we'll head straight to Branding. The Branding section is specifically designed to let you customize how your Calendly page looks to others. Here you can add your professional touch, starting with your logo. Once you're in the Branding section, look for the Upload Image button. This button is your gateway to adding that sleek logo of yours. Clicking it will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the image file you want to upload as your logo. Choose your file and open it. Remember, the right logo can set the tone for your Calendly page, so pick one that best represents your brand. After your logo is uploaded, you might take a moment to review how it looks. Make sure it's positioned well and clearly visible. If you are satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save the changes you've made. Look for the Save Changes button, which should be readily visible. Click on it and voila, your logo is now part of your Calendly profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to your Calendly profile, making it more branded and personal. This simple addition can greatly impact how professional your scheduling page looks to clients, colleagues, and friends. It's a visual indication of your brand and professionalism. A couple of final tips to ensure your success. Always choose a high quality image for your logo to make sure it's crisp and clear on all devices. Also, while you're in the branding section, consider exploring other customization options available to you. Calendly offers a variety of ways to personalize your page further, from colors to welcome messages, making your scheduling page uniquely yours. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add a logo to your Calendly profile. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken another step in personalizing your Calendly experience. Remember, a little customization goes a long way in creating a memorable and professional impression on those you're scheduling with. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!